So now we have to learn about the concept of the scaling and the square root. Okay. So let's learn the concept of scaling first. So when I will say you like Yusuf, you have to calculate the scale of a number. So for example, like if I will say like find out the scale of 3. So what you have to do basically? You have to
So 3
multiply
by
the 3
3,
2 times. Yeah, 3 by 3. What's your answer?
9.
It's 9. Okay. So beta, whenever I will ask you to take the square root of a 9, so what will happen basically? Like 1 second,
3,
square
it will
root.
become 3.
Yeah, it comes 3. Okay, so basically when I will say you like take the square root of 9. So I just want to tell you the step. Like, can you write the 9 in terms of 3?
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, 3 power 2. Okay, the 9 is 3 power 2. So basically the power 2 cancel the square root and you will get the answer 3.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the working behind this. So technically, square and square root are the inverse of each other. Like they're the opposite processes of each other.
Reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, like if you have a number 3 and you're getting 9, we will say like it is a square. Okay. If you want back, like if you're getting 3 from the 9, then it means like it is a square root. So we call it the inverse process. We can do the same thing for another like another number as well. For example, let's do for this for the 5. So if I will say you like calculate square of 5. So what is the square of 5? Sorry.
Square root of 5, 25.
Yeah, it's
Because
25.
5
Very
by
good.
5 equals 25.
Yeah, so if you have to calculate the square root of 25, so what will be the square root
It's
of
5.
25? It's 5. Very good.
5.
And if we have to write in terms of a diagram, like how we can write, we can say it's 5, it's 25. We can say, okay, it is a square. Okay. And if you want to go back, it becomes a square root.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay. So, okay, that's easy. We just have to write, oh, okay, there's a one more thing, which we have missed right now. Let me tell you. Basically, what happens whenever you will calculate a square root of a number, you will get two possible answers. Do you know how? Let me explain you. Like how it is possible. For example, if you will take the 3 square of 3, you will get 9. But if I will take the square of negative 3, what will be the answer?
9.
It's again positive 9. So it means when you will invert the 9, you are not sure like your initial term was positive 3 or the negative 3.
Uh,
Okay?
so it's gonna be both.
Yeah, it can be both. So that's why they're like normally they write both signs. Okay, but in some standards we just write the positive numbers in order to like avoid the students from the confusion. So we can say square root of 9 is positive negative 3. Similarly, square root of 16 is positive negative 4. Square root of 25 is positive negative 5. Okay.
Okay.